Hi guys, it's William. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my amazing cupcake recipe for apricot, chamomile and pistachio cupcakes. These cupcakes are the bomb, basically because the frosting is absolutely amazing with this great chamomile taste, as well as the base which is infused with apricots, and you can really taste the different levels of flavors. With the pistachio crunch on top of it, it's amazing. So let's start with the recipe. We're gonna start off with the base. For the base of this recipe, I'm going to make apricot and almond cupcakes. So we're going to start off by creaming together the butter with our white sugar, and I'm also adding some vanilla extract. And I'm going to beat this well until combined. Perfect, now I'm going to add 3 large eggs. I'm just going to add the first 2 and then mix, and then add the last egg at the end and mix once again just to make sure that I don't have scrambled eggs. You don't want that, which basically means that the butter and the liquid is separating. And then we are going to work on the dry ingredients. For my dry ingredients, I'm using some basic all-purpose flour, to which I'm going to add some ground almonds, and then I'm going to add as well some baking powder and a touch of baking soda and a large pinch of salt, and I'm going to mix that well and then add it to our preparation. Now it's time to work on the apricots. We are going to use some apricots in syrup. I'm not using some fresh ones. First of all, it's because it's cheaper to make, but also because it gives you a very intense apricot flavor that you don't necessarily have with fresh ones. I know it's very surprising, but basically I'm going to mash up my apricots and then we can add them to the mix. Perfect, now it is time to add the last ingredient to make the batter even more fluffy. And I'm just going to add some sour cream here, but you can definitely use some Greek yogurt if you prefer, since it's a bit lighter. And then we're gonna bake the cupcakes. As you can see, I'm gently placing my batter in my cupcake cases, and then we are going to bake them in our preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius, that's 340 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 to 20 minutes. My sweet spot is around 18 minutes, it's always perfect for me, and then we are going to decorate the cupcakes. Before making the frosting that you've been waiting for, we are going to hollow the cupcakes and put some amazing apricot jam in there. It will taste sweet and fruity. It's perfect for this recipe. And then we are going to work on the frosting. For the frosting, we are going to make a very simple whipped cream, but with a little twist. I'm going to add some chamomile in there, which is basically the kind you drink for tea. And I infused my whipping cream overnight with just 1 packet of chamomile. And as you can see, it's looking quite weird. It looks like a weed-infused recipe, but it's not, I promise you. And basically what we're gonna do is beat this up with some vanilla extract, of course, but also a touch of sugar until we have a very fluffy and whipped cream, and it will taste absolutely delightful. Time to frost our cupcakes. I'm using, as always, a piping bag and a very nice piping tip because I don't like cupcakes that are frosted without one. So I'm just going to frost them up, and then we are going to add the pistachios. And I'm using salted roasted pistachios. This works wonderfully. fluffy, moist, fruity, and not so sweet. These cupcakes are absolutely perfect for any occasion, whether it is a birthday or a celebration or whatever this is. Even waking up in the morning for breakfast, I do that, and I know you do too. So please make sure to try this recipe by creating it your own version. You can find the entire list of ingredients in the description box down below, as well as my social media, so Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram. You'll find some very nice backstage shots of my YouTube channel. Please leave me a comment and a like, and I will see you very soon for another amazing recipe. Bye, take care.